Hello my dears, welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. This is a very relaxing afternoon. I only did a little bit of housework. Not too much. Because I feel kinda lazy today. Okay, so today I got a package. I think I'll open it later. I'll fold my bath towel first. I always organize my towels in the bathroom so my family and I can easily reach them before or after a shower. You don't want to put them far away from the shower, right? I have a little cabinet on the wall right on top of the toilet. It's a good idea for my family and it's very common in the USA. Especially if you have a small bathroom. It's good to make better use of all available spaces. You can store your toilet paper, towels, and personal care products. Organizing the space in a small bathroom is quite simple, right? Now I'll open my package. Let's see what I got today. This time I got a shower gel, a face spray, anti-aging serums, and a sunscreen for my daily skincare routine. I'll start to use them as soon as I finish my current products. I feel a little hungry now. I just want to eat some nuts and grab my coffee first to boost energy. After a short break, I'll make a simple lunch for myself. I don't want it to be complicated because it's just for one person. I chop some green onions, then add it to my barbecue pork. Pour olive oil, then fry the rice, break an egg, stir the egg, the last step is to put some bell peppers on it. It's not spicy at all. I love it because it looks fresh and it contains lots of vitamin C, which is really good for health. Looks like my lunch is ready. Take out my pre-made salad, have a cup of strawberry flavored yogurt. I'll enjoy my lunch while watching YouTube now. This is a relaxing afternoon of mine. How's yours? Please share your experience with me. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.